Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be reviewing a makeup travel case and I'm going to actually show you how I fill it up. So let's jump right into that footage. Okay, so let me jump into what is this beauty of a makeup carrying case. And as you saw in the video, there's a ton of stuff that fit in here. And what I love is that it has a compartment for all your brushes. It also has a zipper compartment in here. And then you get the most sturdiest compartments to put your makeup in. And I'm taking one of the compartments out, one of these, to make it bigger and fit more palettes. So you can take it out completely and fit like your really long palettes. So that's really cool. You can also take these out and arrange them as you wish. Oh geez. So like that. So it just depends on what you're looking for and how you plan on using this. I love this because it's really sturdy, like it's not gonna go anywhere. So I'm excited to see how it's gonna travel when I fly, even though due to the coronavirus I'm not flying anywhere anytime soon. So but really excited to see how this works. I've taken it on weekend trips, on like I guess week trips, like 4 or 5 days, and it's worked out beautifully. So I know I have everything in one place. I don't have to look for it. My skincare fits in there, my inhaler fits in there, a ton of different things. So I'll never have to like have multiple bags. It's absolutely amazing. This is a game changer, and I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below. I got it off of Amazon and I wanted to share with you all. So hopefully you all enjoyed this review and you enjoyed me putting all my makeup in, so you can see how it actually like holds everything in. And if you're interested, you pick it up yourself. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.